ever reached out for catch-up bookkeeping and got a quote that makes you do a double take like, they want how much to clean my books? For real. Before you lose your mind, hear me out. That number is not a scam. It's the bill for waiting too long. Stick around. We're going to break down why catch-up bookkeeping for physical therapy practice costs what it does, and why no, you're not being ripped off. You're being rescued. If you're running a PT practice and your books haven't been touched since January, now it's August and your tax accountant is asking for clean reports to do your taxes before your extension deadline ends, and you're scrambling, so you reached out, you get a quote, and boom, sticker shock. You're thinking, I just need someone to reconcile and organize my QuickBooks. But honey, cleanup bookkeeping is more than that. Cleanup bookkeeping at this stage is not maintenance, it's emergency cleanup. You're asking someone to rebuild months of financial history fast and without error. That means reconstructing your general ledger, untangling miscategorized expenses, matching income to actual services, especially tricky with packages or insurance. Scrubbing your balance sheet so assets and liabilities actually make sense, and making sure you're not paying taxes on revenue you haven't even earned yet. This isn't light work. It's not plug and play. It's high stakes, high pressure financial triage. And for physical therapy practice, it's even messier. Your revenue isn't simple. You got prepaid insurance, delayed reimbursements, partial payments, services in progress. And if you recognize income too early or misclassify it, you could overstate profit and overpay taxes. And when that happens, the IRS notices, or even worse, you get audited. And that quote is not just for labor, it's for accuracy under pressure. Here's where people get twisted. That invoice is not someone taking advantage of you. It's the cost of urgency, the cost of value, the cost of risk. You're paying a pro to walk into a financial mess and make sure it doesn't explode in your face. Psh, you're not being ripped off, you're being rescued. So, what now? You got two options. Panic, pay up, and repeat the same stress next year, or break the cycle for good. Here's how. Pay for monthly bookkeeping. Review your reports before tax season. Work with a team that actually understands how health and wellness money flows. Oh yeah, to sum it up, that high catch-up cost, it stings like a bee, but it's doing what you do for patients, fixing that alignment before it turns into something worse. There's no difference. If you're tired of drowning every August before the tax deadline, maybe it's time to stop calling the cleanup crew and start working with a real financial partner. We help physical therapy practice clean up, catch up, and stay ahead. And if this hits home, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We drop straight talk financial every week for physical therapists and other health and wellness owners to control their money so it doesn't control them. Schedule and book with us so you could keep your books clean on a monthly basis.